Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ehsan, and in today's video we're going to solve this radical equation. We're going to simplify this, and if you're new here, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video you'll be aware of it. Let's jump to it. First of all, if you want to solve this kind of problems, it is really important to make it as much as simple you can. So I'm gonna define a new variable for this radical equation. I'm gonna define 2024 as a new variable x, and I'm gonna rewrite this equation in terms of x. So whenever I saw 2024, I rewrite it as x, and instead of 2025 I rewrite it as x plus 1. In this matter we can easily understand the different terms of these equations. So here we have square root of, instead of 2024 I rewrite it x squared plus, instead of this one, x squared times x plus 1 squared instead of 2025, and the last term x plus 1 squared. So minus 2024 to the power of 2, which is x squared. This is our equation in terms of x. Now I'm going to expand just this one and use the summation between this term and this term. Okay, here we have the first term, x squared plus, how about this one? We can rewrite it as, if we expand it, x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus this term. I'm gonna leave this behind. I'm not gonna simplify this term. X squared times x plus 1 squared minus x squared. By the way, I use this a plus b to the power of 2, which is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab for simplify this, okay, for expanding this expression in here. Okay, now let's move on, and we can now add all of this together. How we can do that? We can do that, first of all, we have this 1 in here plus this x squared plus x squared, it becomes 2x squared plus 2x plus the last expression, x squared times x plus 1 squared minus x squared. Now from these two I'm going to factorize 2x in here, so which becomes 1 plus 2x times x plus 1 plus x squared times x plus 1 squared minus x squared. Now I want you to look at this expression in here so carefully and compare it with this one in here. Okay, you can extract a and b from this expression in here. Just go ahead, pause the video and think about it. I'll let you think at least for 1 at least for 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope you find your answer on your own. How we can extract a and b from this equation? This is actually a. This is the square root of 1, which is 1, a, and this expression in here this one is or I can say that this is b. The square root of this term is b, which is this one in here. You see, we have a is equal to square root of 1, which is 1, and b is equal to square root of x squared times x plus 1 squared, which is equal to x times x plus 1. And why didn't I use the absolute value? Because we already know that x is a positive number. Okay, so here we have as a and b, and this expression presents a plus b squared, all of this in here, minus x squared. So what is a and b? A is equal to 1 plus, what is b? X times x plus 1, all of it to the power of 2 minus x squared. Or I can set that square root of a plus b squared equals to a plus b. So here we have a plus b, which is 1 plus x times x plus 1 minus x squared. So if you simplify this, 1 plus x times x squared plus x times 1 x minus x squared. So these two are crossed out, and we have left with 1 plus x, which is our answer for this equation. And what was x? X was 2024. So the final answer for this radical equation is about 22025. This is our final answer for this question. I hope you understand the process. I tried to come up with some ideas from your high school using the square root of 2 expressions, and just this, and factorizations, and I try to reorder the expressions so that I can come up with this simplification and extraction of a and b in the end. And it is really useful for you to be creative in these kind of problems, and maybe you come up with another solution so much simpler than this. But I always try to find the simplest solutions, but of course there is always another way in mathematics, and you can find the better way. If you find another interesting method, please let me know in the comment sections. I use it in the next videos as well. I hope you like this video. If that's the case, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.